Of course, many modern philosophers would scorn at the idea that philosophy and spirituality are inherently connected, but I would have to disagree with them. Although one can engage in philosophy without being spiritual, which is perfectly fine and in fact needed if we want an objective, holistic view of reality, I do not think it is possible to be spiritual without being simultaneously philosophical. Philosophy and spirituality are deeply related to each other, and I feel that the former is crucial for development in the latter. Now, I personally do not favor the label spiritual but not religious because of its vagueness and confusion. It is vague because it is simply a negator of religion, not offering anything new to construct one's spirituality off of. I surmise that it would not be too far out of left field to suggest that perhaps we can discard this label altogether for something more affirmative and positive. That label, in my eyes, would be SAP, spiritual and philosophical, not spiritual but not religious. The reason why I suggest people affirm the philosophical side is because if spiritual practice is primarily located at the individual level, then no other intellectual tradition addresses the quest for self knowledge and transformation more passionately than philosophy, not religion. As discussed earlier, there is a difference between spirituality and religion that deal with their instructed teachings and interpretation of doctrine. Religious commandments tend to become dogmatic in order to promote unity within a culture's community. But when people abandon their organized religions and seek spirituality for themselves, they become fundamentally philosophical in their quest to know thyself. All spiritual practices, at its core, are a quest for self knowledge in my eyes, and philosophy serves as a kind of roadmap for how to